There will be mountains that I will have to climb, and there will be battles that I will have to fight. The victory or defeat, it's up to me to decide. And how can I expect to win if I never try? Oh, I just can't give up now. I've come too far from where I started from. And nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe he promised this far to leave me. And I don't believe he promised this far to leave me.